Hey guys, welcome to MyAirbags. I'm Eli, and today we are removing the SRS Airbag Control Module on this Nissan Pathfinder. Stick around towards the end of the video and I'll show you exactly how you can save hundreds on the airbag module and the seat belts. Now before we disconnect the battery, let's go ahead and move this front seat back. Because it's powered, we want to go ahead and move it all the way back, as far back as it goes. Now the first thing we always want to do when we work with the airbag system, whether it's the airbag, the seatbelt, or the airbag module, is to disconnect the power going into the car. We're going to start with the negative side first and then do the positive. Now after we disconnect the battery, you want to go ahead and get right here by the driver's side footwell next to the acceleration pedal. This panel here needs to come right out. It's held in by a few clips. Just grab it from the bottom or from the top and pull right out. Next, we have this air vent that needs to come out. Go ahead and pull out and then up. And then here on the passenger side, just repeat the same steps. So here we have the TCU. It's not the airbag module. A lot of people mistake this for the airbag module, but this is the telematics control unit. It basically controls the GPS and cellular. You don't necessarily have to remove this part, but it's a lot easier if you do. It's easier to get to the module and to work with the module as well. In here we have this plug here. You want to push down at the bottom piece here and then pull out at the same time. And same thing goes for this one here. The bottom clip indents in and then pull out. And we're using a 10mm socket to get right in here. This first one up front. Now we get quite a few comments that ask, Eli, why do you have to remove the airbag module? Well, the airbag module is basically a black box. It stores data, and basically when it gets into an accident, the airbag module stores codes and you basically need to replace it, or you can get it reset. And that's what we do here specifically, airbag modules and seatbelt. So after an accident, the dealership will want to sell you a brand new module. The problem is they cost between $600 up to $800 for a brand new one, plus programming fees. Here at MyAirbags, we can actually reset your original airbag module for a fraction of the cost, anywhere between $49 up to $139. Either way, it's going to be a fraction of the cost, and you get to reuse your original airbag module. After the reset, the module will work again just as designed. It will deploy in another accident event. And same thing goes for the seatbelts. After an accident, the seatbelts deploy. They will throw a trouble code. We can actually rebuild them back to its original design and function to where it will work again and deploy again in another accident event. If you have any questions about the services we offer, about the module, the seatbelts, you can call us, text us, or email us. We'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. Now here at the front of the module, these yellow plugs, you can see there's 3 of them. You want to go ahead and indent right below the lever here. Once you indent on this piece here, the lever, you want to simultaneously slide it out. And as you do that, you'll see the plug will come right out. And here you'll see there's 3 bolts holding it down, 10mm sockets. Luckily there's only 1 in front here because it's a little tight space to work with. And the 2 in the back are a little bit easier. Now this is what the module looks like once you get it out. It's basically going to have the 3 plugs and the 3 bolts you see here. The part number is going to be right on top. Now at the dealership, this one cost around $760 when we checked. Here at MyAirbags, we can actually reset this one for a fraction of the cost. The website currently says around $69.99. It's a fraction of the cost of brand new. So we can reset this module. If you're sending in the module, you can also send in the deployed seatbelts. After an accident, the seatbelt will lock up and you need to replace it. You can also send in those in with the module and we can take care of the module and the seatbelts. On top of the seatbelt rebuild service, we also have custom colored webbing. We have 80 different colors you can choose from, or you can customize your own design or color. You can put your name on it, you can put whatever you like on it, you can customize it, and we can go ahead and get that done right on the seatbelt webbing itself. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, comment. We love reading your comments, or subscribe. You can watch more videos just like this. We have around 60 cars at this point with the seatbelt removals, the airbag module removals. We also do clock spring plugs. We also do center console removals. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call. email us, chat with us. We'll be glad to help you.